Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, in under 2 minutes, let's understand one of the most powerful AI technologies today, VLMs, or Vision Language Models. A Vision Language Model is an AI system that can see and understand language at the same time. Think of it as a model that connects images or videos with text, allowing it to analyze visuals and explain them using natural language. VLMs combine two major components: a vision encoder. It processes images or video frames to extract visual features. A language model, usually a large transformer-based model that understands and generates human language. These two parts are connected through a shared representation space, enabling the AI to answer questions about images, describe scenes, or even follow multimodal instructions. Modern VLMs can describe images in detail, answer questions about visual content, detect objects and explain relationships, interpret charts, diagrams, and documents, generate text based on visual input, assist in robotics with perception, plus reasoning. Recent models even handle video reasoning, spatial understanding, and context-aware summarization. VLMs are transforming fields like education, healthcare, accessibility tools, autonomous driving, and content creation. For example, they help visually impaired users understand their surroundings, enable advanced product search, and improve human-AI interaction. And that's the power of vision language models, AI systems that blend visual understanding with linguistic intelligence to make machines more capable than ever. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and stay curious.